Good evening to all. I am Sai Deepa from Mechanical Department and I am contesting for the post of Vice President. Next slide. Even though change is good, we are usually afraid to sail against the tide. Instead, we go along with it. Anything is possible. It is just your commitment and determination that makes it happen. There are many sensitive things happening all around you daily which we tend to adjust rather than raising our voice against it. So, let me ask you a question. Why should we adjust when there is a better choice? Next slide. Since my childhood, I have always been curious about the things that happen around me. I have always questioned why this has happened. I have experienced being a leader. I was school house captain where I along with 3 other persons led the entire school of population 1500. I have faced many challenges in the post and I have always come up with the solutions. I have also worked in Pragyan Organizing Committee. I can be easily adaptable to any situation and I am pretty comfortable working with anyone. Currently, I am managing around 30 people all across the country. I am courageous enough to make decisions based on what is good for our student council. Some of the initiatives I would like to take up are some among Opal issues are night canteen in Opal. Opal cycle shed is partly used and there are waste cycles lying around in the Opal shed. So I would like to encourage recycle to clear the space and use the space for the canteen. iLab facilities in Opal. Yes, there are iLabs in Opal, but they are not properly furnished with the software that students want. So I would like to suggest for proper installation of the software which students use on their daily basis. ATM near Opal. Lot of new developments are coming across Opal and the other ATMs are crowded. So there is a need for another ATM near Opal. Rescheduling swimming pool timings. Girls are given only one slot in the morning from 5 to 8 am and as you know, next semester is going to be very cold and most of us are not going to make it. The next one is getting the washing machine prices down. Installation and proper maintenance of ACs in common room. Tea and fresh juice stall inside Opal. The fresh juice stall can also sell fresh fruits inside Opal. The girls who are participating in extracurricular activities should be allowed to new SSC after roll call. And some of the campus developments and reforms are globalization of final year projects. See, final year students should be given flexibility to undertake a project in the department of their choice. The trees should be planted after Orion and in between Ojas. The plant saplings are not able to survive in those conditions. So we should plant already grown up trees by using NSS team effectively. We should introduce sharing auto or sharing vans instead of shuttle buses because they say shuttle buses is not possible. There are only 2 people. How can we take 2 people to Opal? I think sharing auto and sharing van should be feasible than shuttle buses. Making sure students' textbooks are allowed inside the library. Refreshment stalls in between architecture and Orion department. Mosquito mesh to the windows of all hostels. Converting My Gold Plaza a good spot for recreation. A quality assurance team has to be set up with enthusiastic students and executive members to assure the maintenance of already available facilities. For example, we have so many trees planted and they are well grown, but they are not properly maintaining it. Many of the trees got infected and they are about to die. So there should be a team which makes sure all these facilities which we already have are properly maintained. And this team can also be used as a tool to give feedback to the admin as fast as they can, and so that admin can reach us back. Next slide. We all are working to achieve one goal, which is to make our institute the best and to proudly say that I am NITTN. We can become the best by working together and arriving at a solution suitable to all. I assure you that all your inputs will be considered. I would like to end this session by thanking present and past student council and task force members who made this place what it is today. Thank you.